This Facebook ad alternative strategy that I want to share with you in this video has given me over $500 within the last 28 days, and I have spent $0 on running adverts. I have proofs upon proofs upon proofs to back up my claim. I tried this Facebook ad alternative for one of my businesses online, and guys, let me show you this. Now, you see, I have a habit of saving 10% of all my sales for each of my businesses in different bank accounts. Now, look at this particular one. I created this savings plan in the first week of August just to track how much sales I have made on this particular business in the very month of August. And as you can see here, I have over 50,000 Naira already saved. Now, if you're not a Nigerian, Naira is the currency that we spend here in Nigeria. That means if I multiply this amount by 10, because like I said, I am only saving 10% of every single sale I made. So if I do the calculation, then I have made over 500,000 Naira in the month of August alone using this Facebook ad alternative that I want to share with you in this video. Now, the interesting thing about this sales strategy is that I spent $0 on running ads. Every single sale I made were all organic sales without spending a single kobo on running Facebook ad or any other kind of digital ad for that matter. This strategy is so simple, and I don't know why it's underrated. I really wonder why many business owners are not taking time to develop and use it. It doesn't matter if you're selling physical product or service or digital product. It will work for you if you can start using it from today and if you use it very well. So before I go to show you how this strategy works, please, I want you to help me take this video viral by just liking the video. I really appreciate it. And if you're an unsubscribed visitor to this amazing channel and you love to see more marketing videos just like this one I'm doing right now, then hit the subscribe button. So what is this Facebook ad alternative that can guarantee you hundreds of thousands of sales without spending $1 on ad spend? It is called content marketing. Now, I will not even try to make this complicated at all, and I don't even mind if this video is less than 5 minutes long, as long as you grab what I want to show you quickly and go ahead to practice it on your own product and service and start seeing amazing results from it. Then I'm good. So what exactly is content marketing and how do you do it, let's say as a beginner content marketer, to start raking in leads to your business and getting mind-blowing sales? It's simple. I won't give you a dictionary or a Google definition. I will explain content marketing from my own personal experience and how I use it to make crazy sales in the different products and services that I sell online. Now, it's simple. Content marketing is just a way where you talk about your business without sounding as if you're talking about a business. What does that even mean? Let me give you an example. One of the services I render online is business registrations. And in the last 1 month already, I have used content marketing strategy to convert more than 500 business owners to register their businesses using my service. So, how did I get all of these customers using content marketing? I simply go on Facebook and YouTube and I created exciting videos that cover various topics around business registrations, because that's actually the service I'm trying to sell, right? So I cover topics like the importance of business registrations, how to carry out your business registrations without using the services of third-party agents, how to fix business registration issues, and other related topics around business registrations. Now, some of you might say, oh, I can't make videos. Well, don't worry, I'll give you a solution to that just in a moment. I'm going to this video. Now, a big warning while doing content marketing is that you should not always sound as if you're trying to make a sale. Once you do that, you are no longer doing content marketing really. Rather, you are actually making an advertisement video. And that is exactly what you don't want to do in this particular strategy I'm telling you about. Once your viewers notice that you are trying to advertise, you have already messed up the strategy. Instead of sounding like you want to sell, you should rather be sounding as if you're trying to help them without asking for anything in return. And indeed, you really want to help if you're doing content marketing. If your content is not offering quality help, then again, it will not work. So now that your content is just about helping people, how then do you make a sale from it? That's a good question. First of all, even if all you do in your video is offering help and offering help, I can guarantee that 1 out of every 10 persons that view your video will contact you asking you to help them do that thing that you are teaching for free, even in your video. And remember that to meet your sales target, you don't necessarily need everybody to buy from you. Sometimes just a single quality customer will help meet your sales goal, and trust me, you will continue to get quite a number of such customers from your video on a repeated basis. Secondly, there is a marketing strategy called stealth closing. What the stealth closing means is when you stylishly ask people to buy something from you without exactly saying it as if you are asking them to buy. So one effective way I do my stealth closing is that, let's assume that I want to ask my viewers to buy an ebook, for example. Then somewhere within my video, I'll use words like, hey, by the way, if you want to get an ebook that will elaborate better on how to do, let's say, ABC, then you can get it here. And then I'm going to tell them how they can get the book. Now, doing that will not put the attention on my book as if I'm making a sale. But yet, I have made them understand that there is a book that does better explanation about doing ABC. And if the video that I was recording was already talking about ABC, then telling them about the ABC book makes it appear like I am helping them by offering the book. But at the same time, I am actually marketing that book without appearing as if I'm a marketer. Now, many people underestimate this content marketing strategy, yet it works like fire if you can practice and learn how to use it. Just give it a try and let me know how it goes with you. You will be surprised that without running an ad, without spending $1 on ad, you will make times 3, times 4 of what you can even make when you're running ads to your business. So quickly, another question you might want to ask is, okay, where do I publish my videos? On Facebook, on YouTube, where? Now, you don't really have to be stuck on where to publish your videos. You just go ahead and use the social media that you are most tuned to, even though I really recommend TikTok for this kind of marketing. But of course, it also works very amazingly on Facebook and on YouTube and other platforms, especially if you play by the rules. For example, I am more of a YouTube person, but that does not mean that you cannot try this strategy on other platforms. So what if you don't just want to do videos? Well, let's face the fact, video content is the best of the best content marketing strategy. There is no argument about that. And there's really no reason why you should not take the challenge to start creating videos if you're really looking for money, right? But in another video, I'll show you how to do content marketing with text and writing short posts, which I can guarantee also works. But I plan to make this video series very short and actionable. So I will be discussing the text content strategy in another video. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do so, turn on the alert notification so that YouTube can notify you when I publish my next videos. So tell me your biggest challenge about video content marketing, and let's see if there's anything I can do to help you. And if you have not tried the content marketing strategy before and you want to give this strategy a try, then let me know your view in the comment section. Please like this video and share it if you found value in it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.